Hello, and welcome to today's video. If you're a fan of drag racing or just love high-speed thrills, you're going to want to stick around. Today, we're talking about a unique and exciting part of the racing world, Junior Dragsters. Junior Dragsters are a fun and safe way for young racers to get involved in the world of motorsports. This racing category allows children as young as 5 years old to race in specially designed vehicles, and it offers a fantastic opportunity for them to develop driving skills, experience teamwork, and even build confidence. A Junior Dragster is essentially a scaled-down version of a professional drag racing car, but it's designed specifically for kids. These cars are powered by small engines and have a top speed of up to 85 miles per hour. But don't be fooled by their smaller size. These machines still pack a punch and are built for speed. These vehicles are made with safety as the #1 priority, so they come with features like a roll cage, a harness, and other protective gear to keep young drivers safe while they race down the strip. Junior Dragster races are typically held at sanctioned drag racing tracks across the country. The races are timed, with the goal of crossing the finish line as quickly as possible while maintaining control of the vehicle. It's not just about speed, though. It's also about skill. Junior racers must learn how to launch their car, react quickly to changing conditions, and navigate the track in a controlled manner. Racers are usually divided into different age groups and classes based on their experience and skill level. For example, younger kids might race in slower classes, while older kids or more experienced racers may race in faster categories. This ensures a level playing field, and everyone gets a fair chance to compete. Before hitting the track, young drivers must go through a comprehensive training program. This includes everything from learning how to safely operate the vehicle, understanding race day procedures, to even handling the car in different track conditions. Most Junior Dragster programs are affiliated with organizations like the NHRA, which provides guidance and safety standards for both drivers and their families. Not only do Junior Dragsters help kids learn technical skills, but they also teach valuable life lessons, such as teamwork, responsibility, and discipline. For many kids, it's a great way to bond with family members and make lasting friendships with other young racers. As the sport continues to grow, Junior Dragsters have become a stepping stone for many young drivers looking to make a career in motorsports. Several professional drag racers got their start in Junior Dragster competitions. It's not uncommon for these young racers to transition into more advanced drag racing classes as they get older and gain more experience. So whether you're thinking of getting your child involved in Junior Dragsters, or simply want to learn more about this exciting world of motorsports, it's clear that Junior Dragster racing offers something for everyone. It's a great introduction to drag racing with an emphasis on safety, skill building, and having fun. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new about Junior Dragsters. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep racing.